Are you in search of pocket friendly liquid highlighters and which will be a new launch as well in the makeup industry? If yes, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Mantrikar Hauls and Reviews. Now from initial intro what I gave you before the starting of this video, you must be wondering what Meghna is talking all about. She is talking about liquid highlighters and which is affordable. Then you must be wondering if whenever we go and search any of the e-commerce website, liquid highlighters are generally 500, 600, maybe 700 rupees. And yes, of course I can understand, as per keeping the cost factor in mind, they are little bit expensive. But NY Bay has got a solution for you. NY Bay has come up with a new product which is NY Bay Liquid Shimmer Drops. It is NY Bay Shimmer Drops Liquid Highlighter. They have come up with 4 different shades in this. Today I'm going to talk to you about is this product itself. This is a new launch product. You all can see. Now first I'll tell you the outer packaging. This is the outer packaging. On the front it says NY Bay Shimmer Drops Liquid Highlighter. When you turn the packaging, on the other side it says the manufactured by each and every other details. What is the manufacturing date? Then it is 12/21. That is recently manufactured. It is good till 11/23. So total 2 years of shelf life you are going to get. The MRP of this product is 249 rupees. But I will give you the best buying links available in the description box. Not in the description box. I'm so sorry. It will be pinned in the comment section. So you can go ahead and you can buy from that link. You will get some discounts. And the net content, the net volume or the content, what you are going to get in this is 3 ml. Now you will say, Meghna, 249 rupees and for 3 ml it is little bit quite expensive, right? Even I thought the same. But when I checked on the Purple's website, they do run lot of sales, lot of offers. And if you are a Purple Elite member, if you will buy only this product, you will get free shipping. If you are an Elite Plus member, if you are normal Elite member, then I think there is a minimum cap of 249 rupees. You have to buy products of I think 249. I'm an Elite Plus member, so I get free shipping on all the Elite Plus products, that is Elite brand products. So like you can check during the sale times and whatever, like they have here and now lot of sales and offers running, so you can check during the sale times. Okay, now this is proudly manufactured in India. What are the claims? The claims they are giving is easily blendable, lightweight, high shine, moisturizing effect, paraben free and cruelty free. Okay, this is the third side. You can say all these claims are given over here on the packaging itself, right? And on the fourth side they just say how to use. They say actually this liquid highlighters you have n number of uses. I'll just brief you few of them. Of course there are more other like parts where you can use this liquid highlighters, or there are more other ways you can use this liquid highlighter. Few of them I'll just brief you. One, you can use of course as your liquid highlighter on your highest points of your face. Secondly, you can use this with your moisturizer. If you are not going like applying any foundation but you want a glowy effect, glowy finish on your face, then with your moisturizer you can mix 2-3 drops and you can use this with the moisturizer. You can mix this with your foundation as well. If you want a glow, if your foundation is total flat matte and you want to make it a dewy or maybe glowy foundation, then you can mix it with your foundation also. Fourthly, you can apply it on your eye, like apply it as your eyeshadow also, that is as a topper, or maybe only this like just with your fingers or maybe with your brush. You can use that also. You can use this on your body also to like highlight your highest points like cheekbones, collarbones and all. If you not cheekbones, the collarbones, the all that's like if you want to apply, if you are wearing some off shoulder dress or maybe small spaghetti top or something and you want to apply some highlighter, then you can use this liquid highlighter on your highest like over here, what you say, this collarbone and all. You can apply it all that places. So these are basically the few of the uses where you can use this. Now I have told you I have shown you the outer packaging. It is flat black matte outer packaging with the silver color fonts. Now this is the inner packaging. It is black cap with the color. It is actually frosted, but then definitely from this tube itself you can make out the color. It says NY Bay on the cap. You can see over here it's written NY Bay, and over here on the tube they say Shimmer Drops Liquid Highlighter. Okay, this is basically the highlighter. Now the shade what I am going to show you is 03 Gold Glam. Okay, and the same shade name is given on the bottom of the tube, 03 Gold Glam, and it says 3 ml. The quantity and the shade is given on the tube itself. Right, now I'll just tell you there are 4 shades available in this. First is Bronze Babe 01, second is Rustic Rose 02, third is Gold Glam 03, and fourth is Pearly Pink 04. I have my notes over here as usual, so that is why I'm just checking the shade names. I don't want to buffer in the shade names, that is why I have told you. Okay, now what we will do, we will just apply directly on the face. Okay, now I'll show you first the swatch. Okay, it comes in this kind of normal doe foot applicator. Now I like this kind of doe foot applicator rather than a tube, because sometimes squeezing out the tube and taking it over here and then applying, then you are expected to waste some product. But when you have this kind of applicator, you just directly have to dab on your face wherever you want to apply, and directly you can blend with your fingers. They say, yeah, like you can directly blend on your face with your fingers. Now this is the hand swatch of the liquid highlighter. Okay, now I'll just take a little bit and I try to apply directly. And if at all you feel this is too much, then you can blend with your beauty blender. You can just dab your beauty blender on top of it and done. You can see I have dabbed it, because generally y'all, if you know me, then you know me, I am not an highlighter person. I generally avoid using highlighters. Over here what I'll do is I won't dab with the beauty blender. I'll just show you so that you can see the color. Yes, now over here I have dabbed with the beauty blender. Okay, so it is giving me a subtle effect, like y'all can see. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing or no, and over here y'all can see I have not dabbed with any beauty blender. Y'all can see. Okay, now I'll just take a little bit of highlighter and I'll apply on bridge of my nose. This is easily blendable. Y'all can see I'm just using my fingertips. Just take a little bit. And with this applicator, the plus point is, if you want, you can directly apply like in the inner corners. So y'all can see, directly applied with the applicator itself. Okay, so this is like the application of the highlighter. Now, as I told you, even you must be having few of the uses where you can apply the liquid highlighters. Basically, the makeup has no rules. Whichever way, whatever way you are comfortable with, you can apply this product. There is no rules, no regulations, but few of the important points they have given on their website as well as on their app. So if at all you want to see, you can go ahead and you can see the how to apply and all. But basically they mean to say, you just apply wherever with the applicator, just apply over there, blend with your fingers, blend with your fingertips, and then you, if at all it is like a little bit more, if it is more for you, you can just blend with your beauty blender. That's it, what they have given you. And I have shown you the application part also. As I always say, I am looking over here, it's my mirror. As I always say, I'm not a highlighter person, but still I can try here and there, and that is why I just got one shade. And like you all can see, this is already dried. We'll just try to smudge. See, after smudging also, it is giving me a glowy effect. Of course, the fading is little bit there. This is a liquid highlighter, so there is a fading, but then it is giving you a glowy finish. Good, you can see over here. Okay, so basically I have tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have any other questions or if you have any other query which you want to ask me, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram, or else if you have any other video suggestions, that also you can let me know in the comment section. And before going, I'll just tell you my lipstick. It is from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. It is in the shade 120 Artist. Okay, this is the lipstick what I'm having right now on my lips. Now why I am having this lipstick on my face? So if at all you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because there is one more other review coming, one new launch product review coming. So, and I think you don't want to miss out that review. So if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe and click to all notifications. So whatever, whenever I'll upload a video, you will get the notifications on time and you won't be missing any of the videos. Yeah, and this is made in India product, as I told you. If you have any queries or whatever you want to ask me, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.